Fiona?
Yeah, pretty good.
What are we doing today?
iPhone apps.
iPhone apps.
Well, actually, are you going to show us, what is it, syncing with a desktop PC on the iPhone?
Hey, don't give it away.
Oh.
Don't tell them what I'm going to do.
Well, no, I haven't told you. I haven't mentioned the ultimate thing that you want to do.
What I've done is, I haven't got World of Warcraft installed on my phone, but I have full control over World of Warcraft on my iPhone. I can play WoW on my iPhone.
Now, can you really play it, or can you just sort of view it and it's really,
See, this is my, so right click, I move over there, and if you have a look at the PC over there, it should move in a second. So it sends a signal back. So what we're doing, it's just moved over, so you can see him running slow. We're getting about 1 frame every 10 seconds.
Oh, it takes a little while for it to load.
Yes. So what it's doing, because what it has to do is not getting the drawing information from the iPhone itself. It has to get all the information, all the graphics and everything else over the network.
Okay.
So it's going to be extremely slow. Right, so this is a desktop which is running over there, and what we can actually do with VNC is zoom right into my character, or zoom right into the auction house chick which is there. My character is this bald guy here. Now it looks like he's not moving, and that's because we're only getting 1 frame every 10 seconds or so. It's quite slow, but what I'll do, just to give you a demonstration of what we can actually do here, is move the screen up there. I'm going to hit this little button there which enables a right mouse click, and then click on her, and as you can see the World of Warcraft hand comes up, and theoretically it should open the auction house, and it is going to do that. It's just going to take a second for it to load. Alright, so I've selected usable items. I'm going to search the auction house now, and it's going to bring up stuff that can be used by my level 2 bank guy here. And here we go, we've got simple linen pants, loin cloth. We've got a jacket. I'm going to spend 15 silver on something. We're going to buy some pants. So we want to buy out and those things. I'm going to select buy out.
I'm actually surprised how well it actually, works, considering how small what it is that you're tapping on there. It's pretty
Alright, so it's come up with a confirm screen, buy out for auction 15 silver. I can afford that, accept that. It's accepted. Now I'm going to close the auction house. I'll zoom in so I can close the auction house there. There you go. So the auction house is closed. And what I've done to move around, I've enabled a simple little feature in World of Warcraft, which is click to move. So we're just going to go click on the right click mouse button. I'm going to tap over there. My character should turn around and run straight over there. Just give him a second. I'll zoom in a little bit more again.
So World of Warcraft isn't a very taxing game, really, in terms of graphics?
No, if you remember, we ran it on an OQO, a 6-inch OQO PC, which allowed us to navigate through this area here and also run a couple of little errands.
But so, what I'm thinking is that a game like Need for Speed or something?
Absolutely no point whatsoever attempting to play it.
Yeah.
Just got to wait for him to get to his location. There's a lot of screen drawing going on here, so it is very taxing on the network. You wouldn't be able to do this on a slow network, obviously. So we'll go back over there. I'm going to go try and run it all the way over to the mailbox. And I am actually running it. See on the other screen, which is operating on the other PC. You can actually use this like a remote control for a server, so you can be sitting on your lounge suite controlling a media PC or something like that via your iPhone using the same technology. So I've moved my character pretty close to the mailbox. I'm just going to get him right close there. So if I click on the right thing again, I should be able to click on the mailbox, and it should open it up theoretically. I believe it's opened it up now. There we go. Look, here we go. Here it is. I'm running a little program called Bean Counter, which watches everything that I'm doing. That's a mod in World of Warcraft. And there is the pants we purchased off the auction house. We just made a purchase on the auction house using our iPhone in World of Warcraft. There you go. You can do it. It can be done. You can play World of Warcraft on your iPhone using VNC. Awesome program. Let's just collect our item from the mail. There it is. Click on the item there. We've got the item. Should be in our inventory. We'll open up our bag. There they are. They just appeared in my inventory there. There's the set of pants which we purchased off the auction house. So there you go. Okay, so we've got back on our desktop there, and I can zoom out here, and as you can see, here's all the icons on my desktop on my server, which is in the same room I'm in at the moment, but I can basically access this server now from anywhere in the house using my iPhone. Just to show you what the actual application is, I'm just going to go back to my application menu, and there you have VNC. I had to install the full version of VNC. The light version doesn't provide you with a right mouse click. Without the right mouse click, it is impossible to do anything in World of Warcraft. And what maybe mods out there to allow you to change that, but for a few bucks it was easier than trying to find that mod and work it all out. So using the full version of VNC allows me to connect directly to my server, and as you can see, it's going to negotiate then. It takes a couple of seconds for it to load up. There we go, there's a desktop. If I need a keyboard, I hit the little keyboard button, and up pops the keyboard. I can turn it to the side, have my whole desktop turn around to the side as well and access it sideways. I can type stuff in a text document or passwords in World of Warcraft. I was chatting in World of Warcraft before using the keyboard, it works fine as well. So yeah, you can actually, that's another thing you do, talk to guild members. You can talk to guild members in World of Warcraft using the keyboard. So just get rid of that keyboard there as well. You can Control-Alt-Delete-Out, restart your server, right and left mouse click. What's the plus do? That's right, we had a look at that before. A plus for all our different options, refresh the screen. If you get any page draw errors, you can just refresh it like that. Fairly simple. That's basically VNC application running World of Warcraft on the iPhone.